Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is about how to install PyCharm on Windows 11. So first of all, you go to your browser. I'm gonna put this the link of PyCharm download description, and you'll get these three options. You can download on Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Like now I'm using Windows 11, so I'm gonna download. I'm gonna press download over here. Yeah, it's gonna ask where do you want to install it. I wanna put it in downloads. Yeah, you gotta wait for it to download over here. The exe. So as you guys can see, it's downloaded the PyCharm file for me. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna go to files, and like I already opened files, and you're gonna go to where you install the file. So I install it in download. So I'm gonna double click on it. So this is gonna show somehow a tab. It's probably gonna install. You just gotta wait for it. So it's gonna show you like a confirmation of do you want to install it? Just press yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? You have to press yes, and this one is gonna pop up. This setup page is gonna pop up. Sorry, this one. Somehow my computer has problems. Yeah, so this setup, PyCharm setup, will pop up, and you click next, and we'll over here select file folder for do you want PyCharm to be. Press install. Next, sorry. And over here over here is some settings you want to add. I want to add this PyCharm shortcut, and yeah, I don't want anything else. Click next. Over here you can just leave this. If you want to play with it, just play. This one is a create a folder name. Create a new folder. So I'm just gonna click and install. Over here you gotta wait for it to install, and yeah, I'm just gonna wait for it to install and come back. Guys, welcome back. PyCharm installed, and this one shows completing PyCharm setup. So you're gonna click on finish. You're just gonna open the PyCharm. So yeah, it's gonna after it's gonna open. First thing it's gonna show you is this one. It's like user agreement. So you click I confirm that I read and accept the agreements. If you want and read it, you can read it. Click continue. Data sharing. Just click don't send. I'm just gonna click don't send. Okay, over here, PyCharm open, and it's gonna ask you for start free 30 days trial or active paid license. You can click this. Just gonna click this. Guys, Python is downloaded, but like it requests money, or actually I opened it again. I finished I just restarted it and open it again. So like to test if it works or not, just click on new project. By the way, make sure you have Python installed. I have it installed in my device. I'll put a link in the description how to install Python. So if it comes to this step, a project name, the project name. Just gonna name it. Just gonna keep the name, but I'm gonna add a 1 to it. Click create. I just made a full screen Python. It's great. It's downloading, like, and installing some stuff that probably always happens for what's it called, every time that you and like make a new file Python. Okay, it's installing some stuff since it's the first time that I'm starting Python, and yeah. So it's gonna show you the starting page. And yeah, you can make projects, you can add stuff. So it's installed successfully over here since starting a lot. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.